With more than 29 years in the heating and cooling business, Steve's Heating and AC is dedicated to providing the best possible service for you and your family. We are a proud Bryant Factory authorized dealer. You can count on us to provide you with a system and solution that fits your family's unique needs. And since we've installed many systems in this area, we've earned a reputation for doing the job right the first time. Come visit our showroom and save money on all your air conditioning, heating, and plumbing needs. Steve's Plumbing, Heating, and Air Conditioning, 909-985-5254, or toll free 877-985-3565.